Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. These are red lipsticks. They are really cool. These are pink lipsticks. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is a cleaner you can use for jewelry. This is a rack you can use for your sandals in the bathroom. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. It's really convenient. This is another apartment. This is an appliance you can use for saving your money and your stuff. You can also use it for charging your mobile phone. This is the package. She's gonna unpack all the products. This is a small shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your sneakers. This is a small box you can use for masks, and this is a clock holder. This is a small mop. You can use it for cleaning windows. These are plastic chairs. This is a wallet you can use for organizing your stuff, like your glasses. This is a mixing cup. This is another package. This is a small fan. It's really convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. This is a folding shelf you can use for organizing your stuff. These are plastic bags you can use for storing cereals or dried fruits. This is a triangle mop you can use for the corners. These are plastic boxes you can use for organizing vegetables and fruits in your fridge. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.